please tell me what is this taikiro in Amchi cuisine?
Taikiro leaf ground in cumin. Rain, rain, rain. For free, free. God gift. Taikiro leaf, not cow eating.
Oh no!
Animal not eating. Only Amchi gele eating. आम्ही गद्दे वचून तैकिळो कटिंग टेकिंग घरा आणि तो तैकिळो लायकून धुविंग आणि कचक 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 कटिंग कोयर पुरा सेपरेटिंग आणि पुट्टिंग मसाला त्या मरवळा पानाचे मसालो सेम नाईस पुट्टिंग इन मसाला कलोइंग दिस कलोइंग आणि राउंड 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 आंबाडो आंबाडो
Ambado? What is Ambado, auntie?
You don't know आंबाडो 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 साम साम गोळी बजे राउंड राउंड बॉल you make this ball last one chitte next step hooning oil
Hooning? What is hooning, auntie?
hot oil
Oh no!
hot oil putting ambade hot oil putting ambade telling
Turling? What's turling, auntie?
you don't know telling frying hot ambade after 5 minutes remove kurkure ambade taikile ambade very tasty ambade ready to eat you try
Oh, thank you, auntie, for sharing this taikila umbade recipe with me. I will definitely try this. Sounds very interesting. Thank you very much.
You want winged recipe? I tell you.
Definitely, auntie. I'll surely get back to you on which recipe do I want. Thank you.
Okay.